Are you looking to turn off security alerts on WhatsApp while using your PC? Let's walk through the steps to help you accomplish this. To begin, launch WhatsApp on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the top left corner, just above your profile photo, and click on Settings. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and click on Account. This will take you to the account settings where you can manage various security preferences. Now, tap on Security Notifications to access the security notification settings specifically. In the Security Notifications section, you will find the option to control how security notifications are displayed on your computer. To disable these alerts, simply uncheck the box next to Show Security Notifications on this computer. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily customize your security notification preferences on WhatsApp and manage your alerts according to your preferences. Stay informed while maintaining control over your security settings.